If you're struggling to remove side-by-side view in Word document like this, you're not alone. It's very easy to remove side-by-side view in Word. What you need to do is just click here on the View tab. After clicking on the View tab, at present you have clicked on the multiple pages. That's the reason you are seeing multiple pages side by side. To remove this multiple pages, you can click on the one page option. So you will see single page in your Word document. Or you can click on the page width option to fit the text on the entire screen. You can also reduce the zoom like this to see the complete page, or if you have selected multiple pages, you can also reduce the zoom to see more pages or increase the zoom to see the single page in your Word document like this. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about Microsoft Word quickly. See you again in the next one.